All right, so maybe I clickbait you a little bit. The description says 4,000 mile review. Actually, if you check, I don't know if you can see it, I have 3,628 miles on the car. So, my bad, but I rounded it off. So yeah, 2018 Dodge Charger RT Super Track Pack. Girlfriend's car. I don't get to drive it a lot, but I have driven it a little bit, and I've enjoyed it. Let me see here. See what I got in the mirror here. I don't know if you can read it. Have one on each mirror there. But anyways, love the car. I mean, I love the color. The color gets so much attention. People are always commenting on the mango orange, and in the sun you can see the sparkles in the paint. It looks really nice. You know, got a great Beats radio system. I love the AC in the seats. That's for the heater. For the AC, passenger side's got them too. Mirror, you can tint the mirror. Pretty cool. I mean, this thing just does everything. I enjoy the look. User guide tells you how to use the damn thing, pretty much. I mean, and these things are just incredible. Performance pages, I enjoy that. The only thing it doesn't have that I wish it did was launch control. I wish it had launch control on here, but I think you can unlock it somehow. You got to buy something and unlock it. But you can use the timers for 0 to 60 quarter mile, which, as you can see, I have yet to use that. Gauges, oil temperature, oil pressure, coolant, battery, the G-force gauge, all about your engine, even a dyno, which is pretty cool. So I enjoy that. Like I said, I enjoy the AC seats. That's always a good thing. The only things that we've done to this car so far is tint the windows, and as you saw in the video, cut out the mufflers. And that's it. That's all we've really done to it at this moment. As you can see, it's got the suede leather seats. Leather and suede, I should say. Sorry, I got all kinds of stuff in there, but super comfortable. Some people like this, the way this looks right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Some people like it, some don't. I can tell you, my last Charger had a cup holders that were either cooled or heated, depending what you want. I don't know why they don't do that anymore. I used them. I thought they were great. I missed that. I wish they still had it. Got a money holder in there. Of course, I just hold crap in there. Little storage in there. I mean, it's nice, man. You know, it's got the sunroof here, which I enjoy. I use it. If y'all haven't seen my videos yet, my girlfriend's black. She's got black people hair. That's what we call it. And she hates to mess it up, so she never opens the sunroof. I can only put the sunroof open when I'm not with her or when she's wearing a hat. I obviously don't have that problem. But anyways, man, I love the car. It's been great. My complaint is, before this car, I had a 2015 Chrysler 300S Hemi, and I love that car. Well, it was actually her car. She drove it. And maybe I'm crazy. It's the same engine. To me, that car was faster. I enjoyed it more, especially in sport mode. Like I said, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm crazy. It's because it's got the same engine. But I enjoyed it. I liked it better than this one. I like this color better. But overall, I like the other car better. But it was a lease and it was time to turn it in. Trunk. Obviously the Beats speaker. I love the sound of it. Some people say they don't. I have no issues with it. Sounds great to me. Obviously I got crap in my trunk. These are the original mufflers that I still have that they cut out. case I decide to put them back on, because there's certain things about this exhaust with the muffler delete that I actually don't care for. I think I'm gonna take these things off right here and take the charger one off too, I believe. In case you were wondering, if you can see here, it says IMSA, International Motorsports Association, and under here it says Team AH. That's for Team Asshole. Me and my friend, my father came up with that when he was alive. He was big. My dad used to race cars, and he was big into that. So him and his friend had a team called Team Asshole. It was a joke, and me and my friend, we just continued it on. Love the hood scoop. It actually functions, which is nice. There's the inside of the hood scoop where the air comes in. Of course, everybody knows what the 5.7 looks like. Love it, great engine. Never gives me a problem. The Chrysler never gave me a problem. It's just an awesome engine. These yellow protectors that come with it from the dealer, I love them, especially with the color of this car. I just think it looks really good. I've seen other cars with it that they leave them on, and I don't like the way it looks because it doesn't go good with the color. But everybody tells, well, not everybody, but people tell me, hey, those yellow things will scratch up your paint. You got to take them off. I'm not taking them off. I like the way they look. You'll never see if it's scratched because they're on there. So if it's scratched, it's under it, and you won't see it. That's just the way I feel about it. Besides, this car is a lease. So at the end of the lease, they're still going to be on there, and I'm going to turn it in just like that. Don't know what I'm going to get after this. It all depends where we're at financially. I would like to get a Hellcat, but by then, who knows? Who knows what we're going to want to get. But anyways, man, so what, 3,600 miles or so. Never had a problem with the car. No issues. Runs great. I actually just did my first burnout today. I'm not trying to be a baller and go out and buy new tires and waste all my tires and burning out, but I did one today. That'll probably be the only one I do. But yeah, man, love the car. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Matter of fact, I still have here in the glove compartment, which I showed it on another video, but I still have the window sticker. As you can see, $41,980 was the sticker price. As far as options, I got the Plus group, which is the wheels, HID headlights, power front and driver's seats, 4-way lumbar adjustment, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, auto adjust reverse exterior mirrors, which I turn that off. Every time you back up, the mirrors face downward towards the ground. I hate it. My girlfriend hates it. It might be a good thing. I don't know. We don't like it, so we turn that off. Memory for radio, driver's seat and mirrors, which is great. That's right here. Every time she gets in, she pushes number 1 and the seat goes right to where it's supposed to be, and so do the mirrors. And when I get in, I push number 2. It's a beautiful thing. Security alarm, front overhead LED lighting. That's BS. Illuminated rear cup holders. Then I have the Beats audio group, which was $995 with a 552 watt amp. Then the Super Track Pack, Napa leather, functional hood scoop, performance suspension, all season tires, 245 45/20s, projector LED fog lamps. Those things are pretty badass. I like them. Dodge performance pages, power front driver and passenger seats. We already went over that. Ventilated seats, we went over that. Power tilt telescope steering column, illuminated rear cup holders, performance fascias, performance side sills, and I got a sunroof for $1,200. Go figure. On the Demon, they're charging $5,000 for the same sunroof. But anyways, that's the sticker on it. And fuel economy 19, 16 city, 25 highway. Fuel economy sucks. But then again, I do have a lead foot. So yeah. I'll tell you one thing I kind of did not like about this car when I first got it was these wheels. Those wheels are the same wheels that I had on the Chrysler 300. And I tried to get the track pack wheels, but they didn't offer it. But they're starting to grow on me now. People seem to like it. Actually, the color matches the orange pretty well. And I'm definitely not going to change it. So, back seat, plenty of room. As you see, the heated seats there, the AC, the porch there, girlfriend shoes, cup holders back here. Anyways, like I said, guys, if you have any questions about the car, jeez, it's windy outside. Any questions about the car, anything you want to know, anything, let me know. Anything you want me to test out or try or whatever, let me know. It's been a great car. Just wish it was a Hellcat. Maybe next time. All right, guys, well, take care. I got some work to do for the rest of the day. I'll talk to you all later.